All right, yo, what is happening, guys? Garrett Finkhauser with FFLfunnels.com. I promise you, I will be putting more video content out as soon as I can figure out a way to make more of it work. Guys, I got something really good for you. This is something that keeps coming across my desk, and it just I saw it again, I heard it again right now, and I was just like, I have to do something about this. So this video is going to be probably one of the biggest videos for most of you guys right now. The problem that I'm seeing it across the board is people are saying that they are having issues with posts getting flagged, removed, things like that from Facebook, right? This is something that this is the what I'm going to talk about right now is a workaround that we found that works really well. We're not seeing any issues with it, but it's totally possible for somebody to report it and you could still have problems with it, right? So I'm not going to say this is the be all fix all, but do this. It's going to help, right? So what you're going to want to do, guys, is come over to something like Canva, right? You can do social media. We can do this. We can do, let's see, Instagram story. I mean, realistically, you can kind of do whatever. I'm going to click Instagram story right here. Because this is going to put it in the right format for us. And then what we are going to do is let's grab the background. Let's change the background. Let's make it black. And what I'm going to do is just pull up like one of our client sites real quick in the background. And we can do some text. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get over to the text box thing. Ah, there it is. I can move it right there. So we'll add some text right here and we'll say um, available in shop and online. Okay, so this is just an example, guys. Take this and run with it. Do what you need to do, but use this as an example. Now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to drop this down here, and I'm going to put my website, right? This is where you would put your website. Let's drop that, make that a little bit smaller, make sure it lines up properly right across the bottom, and boom. And then you guys can even do this, do some of this like in Instagram or Facebook. Um, There's a lot of tools. Instagram's way better at stories than Facebook is, but you can do this for either. I'm just going to put everything in here in the Canva, for example, right? But what I want to do is we'll come over here and we'll just grab this here. It says in store, right? So we want something that's available in store and online. And so I'm going to click into that. It's going to be slow right now because my computer has a million tabs open, but let's grab that. So I got the link, right, that I can put into Instagram if I needed to. But we also want to, I'm just going to screenshot this and we'll do it like this. This might be too big, but I'm kind of just doing this on the fly, guys. So if this comes out sucky, then sorry. Now, a better way to do this would have been to use a picture that's not so wide. Um, but basically what you would do is you could do a couple of these, right? So we can actually should have just copied that one because it would have been the same size. So pretend that this is all, or that these are three different guns right here, right? Oops. Copy paste. Why is it small again? Copy paste. There we go. Boom. So pretend this is three different items, right? What we can do then is we can actually come here and download this. Okay, so we're going to download that. Just going to download to the computer. Just going to have it right here in downloads. And then I'm going to jump back over to Facebook. And I'm going to honestly, I found it easiest to do stories in um on my phone, but I believe you can do stories here. I don't know if this is going to let me do stories from here. So I'm going to do it from my phone. So I'm going to actually copy that item. I copy this, I'm gonna drop it on my phone real quick. So let's airdrop this. Share, airdrop, send it over to my man Jarvis. Cool. So I got this on my phone now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna post the story on my phone real quick, and then I'll pull it up here on the computer. So create story, continue. I'm gonna grab the photo. Now, if I wanted to, I can use the tools to like put a link in here or whatever. I'm not gonna do that, right? I'm just gonna hit share. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to refresh the page. So now that story is posted. And if Facebook will cooperate with me, I can see it. So you can do view story. Boom, here it is, right? So now, guys, a lot of you are doing stories, right? This is very common. The thing is use the stories and then come over here and do a tile post that says new inventory in store and online. Check my stories to get the scoop. Whatever you want to do, right? So I'm going to post this. I'm going to remove this because obviously this is irrelevant. But I want you guys to see kind of how this works. Now, so what people do is they come to your, they see your post, right? They'll see it in their feed, and then they're going to click into your profile and they're going to view your stories, right? So let's click here. Let's view story. Oh, there's dinner from last night. And boom. So now we have not only a way to post whatever we want, including links, but now we have a way to promote it. We can send people here and ask them to either click the link, visit the website, or whatever. But like this is a way that you guys can promote all the new stuff that you guys have in stock and not have to worry about it getting taken down. Okay. So I would love to see most of you guys doing this. I would love to stop seeing people saying that you can't promote on social media. The problem is that you guys are banging your head against the wall and trying to do the same shit over and over again, and it doesn't work. So stop fucking doing the things that don't work and change your approach. It's simple, right? So this is going to be a big one, I think, for a lot of you guys. This works really well. Uh, we're training a lot of our dealers and stuff on it right now. And this is something that I've been doing for a long time. I just haven't been able to create the content for you for whatever reason. But I hope this is helpful, guys. I will catch you in the next video. If you need help or have questions or whatever, drop a comment, shoot me a DM, anything like that. Be happy to help out. Cool. Catch you guys later. Bye.